What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to hang frames on your walls in literally seconds and no tools at all. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we've got a few frames that need to be hung up on the walls here. Usually I go to this little anchor right here, or wall plug. This is my favorite one. It's strong, durable, it works on walls and ceilings. However, the issue that I have with this one here is anytime you want to remove it, you're left with a large hole that needs to be patched. I still always opt for these, and I've got a lot of them that I keep stored just in case. What we're going to be using today is this one here. It's called the Claw from 3M. A couple reasons why I've chosen this one here. It's got a very high capacity rating. You can see there 15, 25, 45, and it also comes in a 70 pound, which translates to 7 kilos, 11 kilos, 20, and even 30 kilos. So that's a lot of weight that can be held up on a wall. The best thing about this is it doesn't need any tools to install it. You simply push it into the wall, believe it or not, and that's it. But when it comes time to remove it, you're left with just a little pinhole from the actual claw that goes into the wall. So I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to install, and then I'll bring you guys in a little bit closer as we install two more frames up on this wall here. So I'll show you guys how quickly this can be installed. We take our hook, line it up wherever you're happy with. We'll center it in this case here. Simply push it into the wall. We can then take our frame, line up the back, and there you have it, guys. In literally seconds, everything is installed, ready to go. So I'll show you guys just how easy this goes into the wall. A little bit of a close-up here. You can see there, just simply line it up into the position that you want, get it roughly nice and flat. I'm happy with that right there, and then just simply press on these two pins up on top. You can see there, press those ones there in, and that's it. Nice and simple. We can now take our frame, slide that one there on top. Happy days. So I'm going to install my last hook here, and then I'm going to actually remove it just to show you guys how small the holes are. So we'll quickly install this one here, line that one there up, push it in. Now to remove it, you can use a flathead screwdriver, or you can just simply pull on the hook back out, and I'll show you guys how small these little pinholes are. So if you have a look there, that's literally the only damage that we've got on the wall here. If we ever wanted to patch this, you could honestly just fill it with a bit of gap filler, or even just some joint compound with your finger. Let that dry in literally seconds because the hole is so small, and you're ready to repaint it. I'll reinstall this one and install the picture frame as well. So we'll push this one here back in. Then we can take our frame and drop that one there on top. And it's that simple, guys. This is absolutely the easiest way to install picture frames on your walls, especially when you've got a high rating like we've got there. We can hang something up to 30 kilos on the wall with one hook. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. You've learned something new. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.